everybody, it's Christopher Travels. How you doing? Yum. I thought I'd try something weird. I've seen those videos where they go, like, they take the images, like, take the pot out, you know? So, I wonder how this came out. I'm gonna have to piece that together and see how it turned out. Ugh. I just woke up not too long ago. Man, it is beautiful outside. Oh my gosh. Anyway. Okay, so basically there's a few things happening. One is last night around 5 o'clock in the morning, my my fire alarm / CO detector went off, and I was like so flustered. I didn't remember like what alarm was sounding, but there's different alarms for different. I know it wasn't the smoke alarm because there was no smoke. I was just sleeping. But so it definitely was the CO in the room, and so it scared the living everything out of me, and my buddy heater was still on, so obviously it didn't detect that it was low yet. So I think that was an early, like, hey, get up, do something, get some, you know, because up on the top I have a vent up there and also a vent up there, but I put some styrofoam in there and left a little bit of a gap. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up. I'm going to keep the one sealed, but I'm going to go back up because I didn't have the other one sealed and everything was fine. So I'm going to go back up and I'm going to take the styrofoam out of there. So, yep. Another thing, oh yes, my fridge, it is going out, and I had a little dorm fridge at my mom's house, and I picked it up, and I went to the van build, you know, on my way back home, and I saw there's a lady for starting out, and I'm like, oh wow, do you need a refrigerator? So I gave her my little dorm fridge, and so she was first starting out, new, hold on, let me set you down. Hold on one second. Actually, I just took you off the tripod thing because it was getting on my nerves. But, oh my gosh, I need some coffee. So, anyways, I gave that little refrigerator away because I was like, I'm not going to need it, and she'll need it more than I do. And, you know, kind of pay it forward. So, I'm back from the van build, everything's great. And then I noticed that my fridge keeps running and running. And, see, let's plug it in. See, I just had it unplugged. Okay. So I just plugged it back in, and nothing yet. So, let's let that sit for a second. Let me talk to you about this. So, my Moringa trees, oh, see? It just kicked on. Oh, no, it didn't. That was my coffee maker. Anyway, so my Moringa trees, I found out they are in a dormant state because it's kind of cold. And they lost pretty much all their leaves And anyway, so I found this thing on eBay. And there's red. Oh, hold on. Red, blue, and then red and blue together. So basically, to keep your plants, you know, kind of healthy in the winter, you can get this LED light, and it actually has been working. Let's see if it'll focus. So the top of this is smooth right here, and the bottom is not so smooth. I think I overwatered it, and yeah. So this is new growth right here just over the last few days. So I'm very happy with that. And it was like, what was it, like $13 for that? And it's also USB. So it's very efficient, and it's keeping my plants alive. Although, when the moringas go in a dormant state, they are still alive. They just are kind of hibernating. So, yep. So the leaves fall off. See? So, but it's okay. When they get about 2 feet tall, then you like cut them pretty much all the way down, and then they grow back. So I'll wait for that. So the CO2 detector went off. My fridge is going out. Oh yes, I forgot to tell you. I mentioned it to the family that's staying here, and they said, well, we have a fridge that we're not even using. You can use it, or you can have it. And I'm like, are you serious? So they have like an outdoor kitchen area, and they have a fridge in there, and they never use it. And so here it is. So they gave me this fridge, and I'm like, you guys are lifesavers. Okay, so it just went on. So listen. Basically, I don't know if that's the compressor or just a fan or something that's on constantly. And it's always at 5 the past day or so. You can actually change it. Like, I have it on 3 Celsius. It can go Eco, Max mode. I just have it on Eco mode. And it has a battery protection, but I don't need that now because yeah. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to I messaged my mom. I'm going to have her find out the warranty info. Now, if it's a year warranty, it was around this time last year that I got the fridge. And the reason I'm calling my mom is because I had her purchase it because she got points on one of her cards, and this was, she got a lot of points for this. So I just had her, or she said, I want to buy it, and then you just pay me back. And I'm like, okay, cool. So anyway, I am kind of pumped because it was hard for me to fall back asleep from the CO2, or from the detector going off. But what I did was, when I'm like, hello, ADHD morning. No. What I did was, when I woke up, when it was going off, I went over here, I opened my window, I turned on the fan there, blowing in, and I grabbed the detector off the wall, and I just brought it over here, and, you know, it eventually just stopped. So, that was a little scary. Yes, I'm like all over the place. Anyway, so things are going to be great. You know, my work is cutting hours for everybody in the bakery, and, you know, I just got back from a non-paid vacation. I had 38 hours, and then I had 30 hours this week, and I'm gonna have even less next week. So I'm making it. So I have everything budgeted, and this is just a worry on my shoulders, because I always have to pay things on time and stuff like that, and I have great credit because of it, and I could just use a credit card to pay things off and then pay the credit card, and, you know. But it just worries me that, you know, I have this job and then they're cutting hours. So, I hope I can maybe cross-train for another position or something, but we'll see. Okay, I'll stop talking. Let me show you the sunrise real quick, and then, oh yeah, I didn't show you guys. This is another thing I did. I had this, oh, hold on. This foam, hold on. Okay. This foam from something. I just put it in the door because this door is very drafty. Maybe I shouldn't put that in. And then it'll help with the, keep air circulating. Let's see. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. Did I blind everybody? Oh, I'm gonna fall. Gosh, that is so beautiful. Oh my god. Well, everybody, thank you so much for being with me on this journey. I love you all. Live life to the fullest. Crane distracted me over there. Live life to the fullest. I'll see you soon. Bye.